A meeting of Kasuru Hinyotrep that was held on 7th October 2021 had announced their next course of protest program that would be held very soon. Speaking to the media, the secretary of the organization, Marbot Dakhar, said that the adamant attitude of the MDA government to the demands of the public of the state has prompted members to strengthen their stand on their demand for the suspension of police personnel involved in the killing of the late surrendered HNLC leader, Cheristafil Thankeo, on 13th August 2021. Marbot Dakhar also announced that on 13th October, Kasuru Hinyotrep would be holding a sit-in demonstration from 11 a.m. to insist on the fulfillment of demands made to the government, of which a memorandum to the same effect would be submitted on the same day.
Nakaliang ka surjang Kasuru Hinyotrep gindawa yang nak sarkar ba kadai ban suspend ya kitu ki he kulit balik bian badan keti ban siat yap ni ba shi hak khalai trik trong Agos KPI balai ni sange sipor ya ki jungi namar nakadau trong kajing flat kensan jong usharman jong Kasuru Hinyotrep jongi iba Sylvester kurba bat ngani thu ipiru bubun hiru kidkhot kinangelam kijongiru ki yok tanglur ba hak kalai trik hak sit demonstration anda lawan tu kan sedang kat ui beji step tengin sa pet kan bejingin penwai katu di lawai katu sit demonstration ngin selik ai katu ka memorandum kejungi kijing dawai kejungi take habi David ba ka suspension na kamta kini ki pulit ba ngin sabu ya ka time frame mo ngin sabu ya ka deadline habi David ba tu kishiti ke jungi